Let's go. Let's see what my man Giuseppe's doing. Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I took a break from my truck. I'm waiting for some parts, right? So I figured I'll take advantage of the time. I'll go work on my Barracuda.
That's smart.
And I want to drive it this year. And let me tell you something. Dorman sent me a gas tank and a sending unit.
Dorman?
So, yeah.
I thought they only had new stuff.
Dorman still makes hard to find parts, but not to mention, they make parts that OEM manufacturers don't anymore, and Dorman does.
And they're still doing it.
They're still doing it. So that's
sharp.
Sharp.
Let me tell you something. That's good to know because things are harder and harder to find by the day. I don't know why it's going this way, but it just is.
You got me.
So, what are you going to do? Where are you going to start?
Well, we lift the Barracuda up, get the old tank out, but I can't put the new one in yet. You know why?
Why?
I'm still waiting for a sump.
Are you going sump like a drag car?
Right.
Okay.
Yep, that's what I'm doing. So
you know what that sump exists for?
Well, yeah, because
the actual sump.
Hard, all the gas goes back, but the sump
catches it. It's like a funnel, almost like a, whatever. Funnel. Got some tools. And then you got the strap that goes all the way around.
Yeah, and then it should come out. You got the trans jack?
Right there. There shouldn't be any.
I drained it already.
You did. A couple months ago, I think you actually cranked it out.
A couple of drips. Well, I still got a little bit.
That's alright.
Bro, this gas might be from the 90s.
Who knows? Who knows? Now somebody's going to comment and say, why are you using a transmission jack? Why aren't you using a helicopter? Or who knows what? Wait, hold on.
Alright. Oh, you got a sump in this one. It leaks though, that's the problem.
Nah, this is an old tank. It's old. Go. Alright, you're good. Alright, take the straps off.
What was it, 9/16? You get a wrench.
Yeah, I think so. Try it out.
Extension? Nah. Alright, beautiful. Gotta get the other one. Put oil. Okay, washer comes off. Yeah. Okay, beautiful.
Is it moving?
Oh yeah.
Alright, take that off completely. Slide it off. That's good. Take it out. Yeah, you could even leave it hanging. That's good. Put it up there.
Okay, it's out.
Down you go.
Alright.
Now, there's a wire in the back for sending the...
Okay, let's tighten that.
Where is it?
There
Right
it is.
Here. So go in the back and disconnect this. Alright.
Okay, should be good.
Bring it all the way down. Okay, out you go. Sliding everything out.
Dorman. Oh, baby. Woo.
Here, I'll move this.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they give you the new thing too, the seal.
Everything.
And everything for the sending unit.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the one.
But now, I gotta put a sump.
The sump is going to actually
No, right here.
It's gonna be right here. Right here.
So I got the sump on, right? Now, since the car needs restoration anyway, and we just want to drive it for now, I'm going to be undercoating it. But normally, I would be semi-gloss blacking it. But when we restore the car, when the day comes, I'm going to take the gas tank back out and semi-gloss it. So I got some primer here, and I'm just going to put it on the bare metal. After I do that, I'm going to let it dry, and then put some undercoating on it. I undercoated the tank. Now the undercoating's dry, and I'm gonna put the Dorman sending unit on. Gonna turn it around, put this over here. This. Okay. It's there. Then very carefully, I'm gonna put it on. Gentle, like nice and slow, just like so. I'm gonna put this This is the strap that holds the gas tank on, right? Now I don't like metal to metal. So that's why I got this piece of rubber here that we're gonna double-sided tape on, and then we'll put it on. I don't want metal to metal. I'm gonna make it real nice. So if you see, look at it, it'll wrap around too, see? So now we're gonna go put the gas tank in. Usually I put some oil around the seal, so it's easier to put the gas tank in. But in time, the oil dries up. I'm putting some oil on the studs because when I took it off, it's kind of hard. I'm going to put some oil to penetrate it. While I was putting the gas tank in, the way the strap was put together, I did not like. So I made this adjustable piece that a lot of cars have, and this adjustable piece makes how tight you want the gas tank to be. Because the way it was, I didn't want it to crush the gas tank. Take a look. This hole bolts up to the body, and this is like a hook that hooks on, and this hole bolts onto the strap. James, over at Earl's Performance Plumbing, spent some time on the phone with us to get the right measurements for our fitting. This fuel line, goes here, and this is for the fuel line, right? And the other hole is if you have fuel injection, and that's for a return line, which we don't, and we're going to block it off with this. So that's about it for the fuel tank. If you guys want to see how I make out with the fuel line, let me know down in the comments.
Taking over the world.